Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about your Kaierda welding machine. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned welder. Let's dive in. Firstly, power supply ensures consistent energy flow for welding operations. Faulty power supplies can lead to erratic welding arcs. Secondly, electrode holder facilitates stable handling of electrodes. A worn-out holder can result in poor conductivity. Thirdly, cables and connections deliver power to the welding machine. Damaged cables can disrupt performance and pose safety risks. Fourthly, cooling system prevents overheating during extended operations. A malfunctioning cooling system can damage internal components. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on the understanding your Kaierda welding machine, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.